Welcome to 711 Orchard Lane in Englewood, Florida. I'm so excited to showcase this lovely waterfront property for you today. This fantastic waterfront home features 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and a lovely sunroom that overlooks Gottfried Creek. Just shy of a ½ acre, this home is nestled perfectly along the creek. You have a boat basin with a 10,000-pound lift, only 10 minutes away from the intracoastal waterway in Lemon Bay. You will be sure to enjoy fun-filled days of world-class fishing and water activities. You will be sure to enjoy this location. You're about 7 minutes away from Englewood Beach, as well as being very close to Dearborn Street. All of your shopping and amenities are very close to this home. You can't get a better location in Englewood, Florida. Thank you so much for taking this tour with me. I'm Candy Brooks with Paradise Exclusive Real Estate here in Englewood, Florida. You can call me at 941-759-0087 to schedule your private tour of this home. You can also find me on the web at candybrookshomes.com.